Hey, what is up, guys? It is Harrison Barron, the Millennial Entrepreneur, and today I wanted to talk to you guys about how to find your niche in no matter what industry you're in. So the reason why I put these tips and tricks together is to help you no matter what industry you're going into or you're already in to find more customers. So right off the bat, you may have heard of the red ocean and blue ocean strategy, and if you have, awesome. If you haven't, the idea is one ocean is full of competitors and competition, and ultimately you need to create a new ocean, a blue ocean of no competition out there. And when you do that, you no longer have competition and you can have a full ocean to thrive in with zero competitors and limitless possibilities. So first things first, you got to figure out what you're passionate about. It doesn't matter what you're passionate about, you have to have something that you're passionate about because you're going to be spending a ton of time, energy, effort, and money in this industry. Make sure it's something that you actually like and not something that you're doing for your money. I made that mistake once, I did it for the money. I'll never make that mistake again. Is there plenty of success to be had in there? Of course there is. If you're not passionate about what you're actually doing, you're never gonna go the extra mile all the time for those people. And if you don't do that, they're gonna see it, they're gonna leave. It's that simple. So make sure you're really passionate about it, and make sure it's something that not only are you passionate about it now, but it's something you can see yourself being passionate about in the future as you grow your business. Next, find your unique product and service. So once you find your passion, find a product or service that's unique to you. So if you're a personal trainer and you're going after personal trainers, make sure that it's something that other personal trainers aren't already offering in your area, right? Because personal trainers are located in specific geographic locations, and there might be a lot of competition for them, but there might not be that much competition in that area. So if you're a personal trainer and you want to work with people that are 40 and up and help them create a healthy and fit lifestyle, then that's your niche. That's your passion. That's what you should be going after to help these people live a better lifestyle. On the flip side, if you're somebody that really wants to help a 25-year-old or 20-year-old get jacked out of their minds, then go do that. That's perfectly fine too. But focus on that little area of people, because now once you have that, now you can take your product and service to the market. You have to have a product that's going to be attracted to those ideal clients. So if it's a meal prep plan or a fit lifestyle plan or a doctor checkup on a regular basis to make sure that your ideal client is doing well, make sure it's something that you offer, something that's going to bring those people, because those 40-year-olds are going to talk to other 40-year-olds and they're going to recommend you. The 40-year-old is not going to go to the 25-year-old and say, you need to go check this guy out. It's just not how it works. Find your ideal clients, find what you're passionate about working for, and then you could start to say, hey, this is what I want to focus in, this is what I'm going to do, this is how I'm going to do it. Then you could start to have that kind of what I call bait. Bait is something where you have your ideal client, you're going to put that bait in front of them, and then they're going to bite and ultimately make that sale. And then it's your job for follow-up, making sure that they get the services, they get the support they really need, and then from there, the world is yours. That ocean is now blue, where you could go anywhere in the ocean and you don't have to worry about any competition. Where the red ocean, there's constantly competition because you're offering the same products and services as everybody else. And when that happens, you're never really going to excel because there's just too much competition biting it up. Next, make sure your product is marketable. And I know this sounds silly or stupid, but if you don't have a marketable product, you're never going to be able to get in front of your target clients. So for example, if you're putting together a meal prep plan for people that are 40 years and older, especially if they're men, because men require different nutritional support than women, now you have not only the building blocks of where your ads are going to go, everything that you're going to create is targeted around that small group of people. And when you have that small group of people, it's immediately going to allow you to get further faster because you're only going after men that are 40 years and older who are looking for a diet plan, as opposed to men and women of all ages who have no idea what they need. Going after that super target niche, and then saying after a while, if you say, hey, you know what, handful of years down the road, you're like, I want to work with 25-year-olds, fine, you can go do that, and you don't have to give up your old niche. But at least you've started building your business, you've started working your way up through the financials to be able to allow yourself to sell to those 25-year-olds or 20-year-olds who want to get ripped out of their minds. And not necessarily putting time away from those 40-year-olds, but really now you have that really strong base and a product to sell. Now you can start working on another product to sell for those people. And lastly, market. You know, everybody is so concerned with not being able to get in front of their ideal clients. Well, they're not marketing themselves correctly because they're usually too generalized. You know, everybody is seeing like the Awesome Auger or something like that on TV, or Flex Seal. When they put it on TV, they're getting in front of everybody. Now that could be totally for a branding idea. If I see an ad on my Facebook, I want that ad to be targeted towards me. Whether or not I buy, who knows? But having that experience and having somebody say, hey, they really put the time, energy, and effort to market towards people specifically like me, not only gives me faith in their product, but now I know that the person on the other end knows exactly what they're doing. So if I'm going to buy and I need help and advice, that person can help me. It goes the same thing with you. Find out what you're doing and what you need to do and market to that exact person that you're really looking to meet. Don't try to meet everybody because it's never going to work. You know, if you're a personal trainer, I keep using this example, there's 200, 300, 400 people in a gym. There's no way that 200 to 300 people are ever going to sign up for you. You're only going after 20 or 30 people. Chances are pretty good, out of that 200 to 300 people, 20 or 30 of them are either 25 or 20 to 30 of them are 40 and older. And going after those markets and really niching down and figuring out what you're passionate about, what product you want, is it marketable, and then marketing to those people is going to immediately help take you to the next level when it comes to these kinds of things. And that's what this channel is about, helping you get to the next level, helping you grow your business and everything like that. If you guys haven't already, please smash that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. You guys are going to see 2 videos right here on 3, 2, 1.